Alright, we ran over here to this second waterfall. Just around the corner. Some people up here too. Here's where I just ran up here. A little shorter breath, not much. We're going to continue walking up to this other Veil Falls. There's got to be some kind of whatever name. It's got to have a veil behind it. Yeah, sadly, more graffiti. Looks like people hanging out with their hammocks. You need to be careful with this moss, not trample it. There we go. You can see where this came from. And the wall right behind me. I bet that algae is old too. Thousands, hundreds years. Moss. It's a cool place. We're gonna pop on over here on the other side. Alright, now we're through. Just a wet. Climb on up a little bit here so we get out of these people's face. Invade their space. Keep going up to the steepy wall. And a little niche. It deserves some kind of prominence. Alright, here we are. One of my favorite things is a little rock outcropping that sits above this little waterfall. Man, that's beautiful. Multi-layered sediment there. So, here's this other fall. It's, on a flood, that's a 50-foot fall. And it's beautiful on a flood. Those people. Yeah. Then there's more people in front of us, hanging over that way, bushwhacking. So this is pretty up here too. There's a hydrangea. I think that's what that is. The green right there. There's, man, it's the root system and the tree limbs. Whew, it's beautiful there. All right, we need to get crack-a-lacking. Daylight's burning. Here we are. We're going to keep moving along. Stay with us. Got more adventures.